shit, I didn't know this was a 2-lane turn now. Okay. It's blocking the intersection here. You're in the red. Go. You went straight from the turn lane. How nice. Don't run the red, don't run the red, you're in the red. Well, you could have this space lady if you're paying attention. That's douchebag. Just keep walking when you see a car backing up, lady. No problem. Were you blocking these? There's no left turn, strip. There's no left turn, you dumbass. Good God, what a day. That was a cutoff, and Jesus Christ, your ass on fire or what? Hello. Livery plate. Too bad I didn't say what company it was from. Yield, stupid go. Accelerate! Accelerate fucking rate! And cutoff. Okay. Yeah. And you didn't stop. Okay. Yes, you're in the crosswalk in front of the ramp. You shouldn't be in the fire lane anyway. All right. And she pulls back up in front of the fucking thing. What an asshole.
You're an asshole. You're an asshole. You're an asshole.
White car, your turn. Brown car, your turn. Whatever. Okay, now it's the white car's turn. Get... Well, it wasn't your turn, Petro Home Services. Thank you. The guy in the Lexus was... Can I have my turn, please? The guy in the Lexus was waving me out. Drive over the fucking curb, yeah. Went in the wrong way and drove over the curb. Handicap ramp is not a car ramp. Chocolate finally melted, so I stopped joking. Thank you. Hello! Jesus Christ. Let's say back on 128, what fun this is going to be. What are you doing, dude? What the frig are you doing? Besides tailgating. Okay, yeah, cut him off. Yeah. Speed up so they can't merge. Try a blinker. Yeah. Lease to truck courier, Woburn, Mass. Back, okay. We're calling out the dingle knobs. And now he's coming to the lane he's not supposed to be in. Yeah.
Take the exit right, then keep left.
Oh, there's a cutoff. Yeah, okay. Yo! Whoa, whoa, whoa! Whoa, whoa, whoa! Tough guy. Okay. Oh god, here we go. Yeah. Fuck pigs. And the cutoff. Yep. Welcome to Route 3. Oh, good, they're racing now. That's it. Nope. You're not supposed to be in that lane, you asshole face. Oh, damn it. You weren't there a second ago, mofo. Now this pickup's gonna dive left, so I can't move into the lane. Give me a sec. Well, if you'd give me a second, lady, for fuck's sake. I'm telling you. No matter how fast you go on Route 3, like I'm doing 15 over at the minute, this and that dickhead's in the wrong lane again, okay? No matter how fast you go, there's always somebody flying by you on Route 3. Hi, hello, someone's there. Pedumstrian, pedumstrian. Walk down to the crosswalk, lady. Thank you, Cupcake. Glad you got cut off.